Everyone, I hope you all are fine and safe. So now in this tutorial we are going to talk about another data types that is known as numbers. So like everything, number is also a data type in JavaScript. Okay, so right now here we are going to discuss about the operations you can perform in JavaScript. So addition, subtraction, these you can perform all of these arithmetic operation in JavaScript. And there is this BIDMAS, which you know, bracket of indices, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So first of all, let's perform addition. Let A equals to 5, let B equals to 6, and so let us add these. Addition console log A plus B. Now let us write something like subtraction. A minus B. Okay, though that would give us a negative result. And multiplication. Now here you need to note something. You can't write A into B. Okay, so this would give us a negative result. Instead, it's wrong. Instead, you would write, even if you do like this, it gives us a bad error. Instead, now let us look what error. Okay, now another thing is division. Let us make it 15 so that things are much more easy. So for division, console log A by B. Okay, so let us run the script. You see it says it's wrong. Okay, so yeah, A into B is not defined, so you can't do multiplication like this. You need to do multiplication like this, so it's wrong. Let me comment it out so that you can understand. Now the other thing is modulus. So if you right now do A by B, this thing, which is the percentage, is the sign of modulus. Modulus and percentage is not same. Okay, so now if you run this script, okay, so now you see you get all of these 15 plus 6, 21, 9 and 90, 2.5, and here what happened is 15 by 6 is 2.5, so 12 by 6 is 2, and the remainder here is 3. So modulus gives us the remainder. Now suppose if I write something like this, console log 14 by 7, then what it will give us? I guess you already guessed. Yes, so there is no remainder. The output is 0, which means there is simply no remainder. And now we will talk about BIDMAS a bit. Okay, so here now we're going to talk a bit about BIDMAS. So BIDMAS is suppose bracket of indices, that is to the power. So suppose 2 to the power 3, and then its division, suppose by 4, multiplication by 4, and then addition, let's take 2, subtraction, let's take 1. So okay, I'm not the best of guy in math, so let's see. Okay, you can justify the result yourself. It gives us a 0. Okay, So now I guess we're very much clear with this. And if you want to test the data type, suppose you want to test what type of it is. So if you run the script, it gives you a number. So now we are very much clear with what the number is, and I'm going to discuss three built-in methods for numbers in the next tutorial. For now, you can just play around with these, play around with BidMass, and I guess you would be fine. So that's very much it. And okay, sorry, it was 9. I mistakenly told that. So it was 9. It was not 0. It was an accident. So that's very much it for this tutorial, and in the next tutorial we would discuss the 3 number methods as mentioned. Thank you.